back to Nursing Manthra. I am Shinsi George. In today's video, I will discuss regarding the complete NUID registration process for Indian nurses. Why NUID is important? NUID stands for Nurse Unique Identity Number, issued by the Indian Nursing Council. In many states like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and North India, you must have an active NUID card to do any council related work for renewal, good standing, NOC or any additional qualification you want to register. NUID card is mandatory. INC has confirmed that in the future, NUID will become a national requirement for all nurses. So, whether you are a GNM, BSc or MSc nursing graduate, apply or renew your NUID as early as possible. To apply for NUID, you will need State Nursing Council valid registration, valid Aadhaar card with linked mobile number, active email ID, educational certificates, your SLC certificate, photo, signature and employment details. Let's go step by step application process. Step 1, you have to visit the INC website, NRTS website. You can click on the Nurse Registration and Tracking System on INC page. Then you can select your current state of registration from the right hand side. You can select like Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, which state you are registered, you can select on that. Step 2, you have to create an account. Login if you are already have an account, otherwise you can create a new account. Fill your basic information and verify it with OTP. Step 3, enter nurse details. Login and start filling your details like your personal information, your nurse registration details, your qualification information, employment history, additional qualification, employment history and all. You can write all the details because when you are getting a passbook, all the information will be there. Next step is Aadhaar authentication and document upload. After entering all your details, the system will prompt for Aadhaar authentication. Your mobile number must be linked to Aadhaar, otherwise you won't receive OTP and you cannot proceed further steps. Once Aadhaar is verified, upload all required documents, nursing certificates, registration proof, photo, signature, ID proof. Then declare and accept the declaration form. Review everything carefully before final submission. Once you submit the application goes to Superintendent of your State Nursing Council, SNRC. Superintendent will verify your details and documents. So this process will take some time, around 1 month you can expect. If all informations are correct and all documents are perfect and you are in good standing, then the superintendent will approve the application. Then your application will move to the registrar of SNRC. Registrar does the final verification and will digitally sign your NUID card. Once approved and signed your NUID card, it will be generated. You can download it from the NRTS portal. Check the application status on the INC website or your council login. Along with NUID card, you will receive INC passbook. Is your NUID card is expired, you can apply for renewal using the same portal and process. Always make sure your email and Aadhaar linked mobile number are working. You receive the OTP for verification. For photo capture options, you can either upload your passport size JPG image photo or a webcam capture also you can do it. So this is the complete NUID application process step by step. If you need any help or guidance, you can contact Nursing Manthra WhatsApp number. We are here to assist you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Nursing Manthra.